Hello kids, this is the Unit 5, Chapter 10 of our English book. We have already read this chapter named Circle. Today we are going to do its question and answers. Let's start. Let's read. I can draw a circle. The moon is round. Reading is fun. What did grandmother and Mohini draw first? To answer this question, we have to go back to the story and read it again. Let's go back to the story. Read it. Grandmother drew a circle. Can you draw a circle, Mohini? Yes, I can. Soon Mohini drew a circle. So the answer will be the grandmother and Mohini drew a circle first. The second question. What were the colors of the balloons that Mohini drew? To answer this question, again go back to the story. Mohini drew many circles, big and small circles, red, blue, green and yellow circles. Alright, so we got the answer here. Mohini drew red, blue, green and yellow colored circles or balloons. Let's draw. In the circles below, draw what grandmother drew. Alright, from the story we get the answer of this question also. But we know, we have read this story, so we know the answer very well, that the grandmother drew a ball and a balloon. So here we have to draw a ball and a balloon in this circle. Come to the next circle, what Mohini drew. From the story, we know that Mohini drew a wheel, a moon, a rabbit and her own face. So we have to draw here all these things in the circle. Next, look at these shapes. The first one is a triangle. This one is a square. This is a rectangle. Try making these shapes into a car, a house, a door and anything else. Look at this house. Yes, can you draw this house? Yes, we can easily draw this house by using all these shapes. In this house, they have used a triangle, a square, rectangle and a circle also. In the same way, make a car using these shapes. And I think this is an easy question for us. We can easily do it. At the last, anything else, you can make any picture of your choice. Draw along the dots. So what did you make? Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a train. Now what we have to do here? Start joining these dots. And after completing this picture, we will get a nice train. Next, can you make sounds like a train? Yes, can you make? Yes, I can make. Okay, let's make sound of a train. Chuk 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 chuk. This is the sound of a train. Next, draw a face on the balloon below. One has done for you. This balloon is done for us. Already a face is drawn here. Now, our work is we have to draw a face on this balloon. So, take your pencil and colors and make a beautiful face on this balloon. Next question we have. Let's read and write. Okay, let's read it first. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. These are the letters given, and what we have to do here? Yes, these letters again given here in the 4 lines as we have in our English notebook. So just start joining these dots, trace all these letters and you will get all these alphabets again. Okay, I'm just doing one for you. Let's start with this This letter, what is this? Yes, this is A. Start joining these dots and always remember to follow this direction. Yes. We get the A. Next one is B. Follow the given direction. B. In the same way, trace these letters also. And always use pencil. Never use a pen in your book. Yes. Like this, just complete this exercise. Next we have, okay, some words are given. Let's read it. Mango, nut, orange, peach. And again you have to trace all these words here with your pencil. Just join all the dots and do it yourself. The next we have, look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Alright, look at the first picture. What is this? This is a dog. This one is a bull. This is an elephant. This is an owl. This is a horse. And this is a cat. What we have to do here? We have to fill the given blanks. One blank is given here. Let's do it. Okay, what is the spelling of dog? Yes, we can see the spelling of dog from here. D is already given. Fill the given blank. O and G. In the same way, do the next one. Next one is bull. What is the spelling given here? B-U-L-L. So fill the blanks. B-U-L-L. In the same way, complete this exercise. And I know you can easily do it. So this is an interesting chapter. This is an interesting chapter and its exercise is also very simple. You can easily do it. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.